Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terisha, and today I will be doing a pantry clean and organize with me. Now in this, where we are right now, we don't actually have a pantry in the kitchen, so I use 3 cupboards. Yeah, I use these 3 cupboards, one for the spices and seasoning, and then the other 2 are just put whatever. But as you can see, it really needs to be organized and clean, so let's get started. I'm gonna be playing some music. Yeah, so just I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation and clean along with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I love to know who you are and how you found my channel, and let's chat. I love each and every single one of you guys, and I can't wait to meet y'all. Let's chat in the comments.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries and dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by. Smoke flowers just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bones but we always mend them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid.
I will not be using any fancy organizing bins. I'm doing this strictly on a budget, even though definitely I have those on my Christmas wish list, so I'm hoping to get some bins, and I'm going to reorganize this entire thing. So stay tuned for that video. And right now I'm just trying to play around with the stuff and see what fits where, but some cupboards are some shelves are wider than some, so that's what I'm doing right now.
And fly across the seas. Not a thing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe. Detox in the car while the world is sleeping. Bare feet on the ground while my mind stays dreaming.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So
loved the video, and if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and tackle the area in your house that needs cleaning, whether it's something small. Just take one step at a time and do it. Like, you don't have to get everything done at once. I mean, I know we all have busy lives and we all crunch on time, so just tackle one space at a time. And if that means it's all in the kitchen, just do one cupboard at a time. Declutter and reorganize it. Trust me, it'll make a world of difference. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.